Now here, solve for x, 2x minus 4 is equal to 0 is given. Okay, so 2x minus 4 is equal to 0. This is the simplest form of the equation that is given to us. Now let us take 4 to the other side. So you get 2x is equal to 4. Now here there was minus, it became plus. Now here you have 2 into x. So if I take to the other side, it is gonna become division, correct? So when it is gonna become division, so x is equal to, x is equal to 4 by 2. So x, therefore the total answer x is equal to 2 ones are 2 twos are, so x is equal to 2. This is what we got as the answer. Any doubts in this problem? Everybody understood this problem? Okay. Now let us go to the next problem. Solve for x where x plus 3 plus x is equal to 5. Now if you see, for 3 plus x, there are brackets given to that. So x plus 3 plus x is equal to 5. Okay. Now when they have given brackets, in brackets when they have given 3 plus x, we have to remove these brackets first and then solve the problem. Now for removal of brackets, if you have any number before the bracket, you should multiply with the number. If there is no number, then you're supposed to assume there is 1 before the bracket. Fine. And what is the sign? You have to be careful with the sign. What is the sign given? There is plus. So there is plus 1 which is given. Since there is no number, I can assume it as 1 here. So since 1 is there, if I multiply 1 with 3 plus x, I will get 3 plus x only. Did you all understand this concept? So when you have brackets, you're supposed to remove the brackets and then solve the problem. Now, since there is no other number, I'll just assume it as 1. Fine. Now, second step, x plus, now 1 3s are 3. So I've removed the bracket. I'll write 3 directly. 1 into x is x. So there is no other changes. I will write x. That bracket also goes out. Is equal to 5 will remain as it is. Now say me, x plus x is equal to what? What is x plus x? 2x. Everybody is clear with that? X plus x is 2x. So 2x, here I have x and x, right? So I'm taking it to one side and making it as 2x, and this 3 will go to the other side. So it is 5 minus 3. Correct? If I take 3 to the other side, plus 3 will become minus 3. So I have 5 minus 3. So next step, before going to next step, did you all understand this step? Yes, correct Swami, x is equal to 1. So 2x is equal to 5 minus 3. Did you all understand this? Correct, Imran. So you have 2x is equal to 5 minus 3 is 2. X is equal to 2 divided by 2. Therefore, x is equal to 2 ones are 2 ones are. So x is equal to 1. Understood? Everybody is clear until here? Any doubts? Okay. Now let us go to the next question. Yes, can we go to the next question? Okay, now if you see here, solve for x, that's the question. And then they've given the equation. X plus 3 into 3x plus 1 is equal to 13. Now in the previous problem, you did not have any number before the brackets, right? So you didn't have any number before the bracket. But in this problem, you have a number which is there before the bracket. So we are supposed to solve that bracket first and then we will solve the equation. So what is that bracket? 3 into 3x plus 1. We have plus 3 which is there before the bracket. Now what will be this equation? You have to multiply. 3 3s are 9. So plus 9x, 3 1s are 3 plus 3. Understood? I only took this part and solved it first, where I get 9x plus 3. So what is my next step is x plus 3 3s are 9x, 3 1s are 3. So I have removed the brackets is equal to 13. Understood step number 2? Everybody understood step number 2? Yeah. Now moving on further. Now I'm going to take this 3 to the other side. So what will it become? If I take plus 3 to the other side, x plus 9x is equal to 13. What should I write? Plus 3 or minus 3? 13 minus 3. Good. I'll write 13 minus 3. Now, x plus 9x, what will it become? You have x plus 9x. So this will be 1x plus 9x. What is it? 10x. So I have 10x is equal to 13 minus 3 is also 10. So 10. X is equal to 10 divided by 10, and therefore x is equal to 10 ones are 10, which is equal to x is equal to 1. Understood? Any doubts in this problem? Yeah, x is equal to 1. Good. Now let us go to the next question. Yeah. Now in this question, look carefully. Solve for x and we have two expressions given. That is 7 into x minus 3. This is 1. And then minus 3 into x plus 4. This is the second one. Okay. Now we have to solve them and remove the brackets first for both, and then we'll have to go with the step. Fine. So what we will do is we will be considering 7 into x plus 3. Okay. So we will be considering 7 into, x minus 3 first. Now let us multiply. 7 into x is 7x. 7 into minus 3 is minus 21. 7 3s are. Okay, 7 3s are 21. And this minus, see, understand, plus into minus is equal to minus. Okay, in most of the cases, this is what we consider. But in few cases, we will be considering the bigger number sign. Okay, for now, understand plus into minus is minus. Minus into plus is also minus. Minus into minus is equal to plus. Okay, minus into minus is equal to plus. Here also, if the bigger number has minus, then you can take it as minus. That we will see in the problem. Then plus into plus is equal to plus. So minus into plus is also minus. Plus into minus is also minus. Then minus into minus is plus. Plus into plus is also plus. Okay. So we have plus 7 minus 3. So minus 21. So our first expression will be 7x minus 21. We have removed the bracket. Understood till here? Yes? Okay. Now let us take the second expression, minus 3 into x plus 4. So here taking minus 3 is very important. Don't just multiply it by plus 3. Okay, minus is also important here. So minus into plus x will give me minus 3x. Correct? Then minus 3 into plus 4 will give me 4 3s are 12, but I have to take minus sign, so I get minus 12. So my second expression is going to become minus 3x minus 12 is equal to 7. Understood the second step? Any doubts here? Okay. Now let us continue. Now you have 7x minus 3x. So 7x minus 3x, what will it become? 7 minus 3 is 4. So 4x. But here, if you see, you just have to take the bigger number sign, that is nothing but plus. Okay. So 4x is the value. And then minus 21 minus 12. These are the two constants that we have, correct? Minus 21 minus 12. Now in minus 21 minus 12, I always told you minus into minus is plus, correct? So here you are supposed to add the numbers, but keep the sign as minus as it is. So we have to add the numbers. 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 1, 3. But we are supposed to keep the minus sign as it is. Understood this? So these are the small things you have to remember. You cannot go 21 minus 12. This is not the right thing. So you have to add the numbers but remain or keep the sign of minus as it is. So 4x minus 33 is equal to 7. Any doubts in step 2? Any doubts in step 2? Understood? Everybody understood? Okay. Now, next step is minus 33 to the other side. So, which is going to be 4x is equal to 7. Minus 33, if I take to the other side, it will become plus 33. 3. Correct? Minus 33, if I take to the other side of equal to, it is going to become plus 33. Fine. So what do I get? 4x is equal to 7 plus 33 is 40. Okay. Good. I'm getting many answers. X is equal to 10. So next step is x is equal to 40 divided by 4. So 4 ones are 4 tens are. Therefore, x is equal to 10. X is equal to 10. Any doubts in this problem? Go through this problem once again. To see the steps, it looks easier, but you will have to understand the detailing properly. Done? Can we go to the next question? Can you all hear me? Can we go to the next question? Okay. Now, next question is very similar. Okay, the numbers are very similar here. Just that this 2 into 3x minus 8 is a addition that has been done. Okay, so let us solve this problem. So again, you have the same brackets. So 7 into x minus 3. Okay, so 7 into x is 7x. 7 into minus 3 is 7 3s are 21. So minus 21. So this is your first expression. Now next is minus 3 into x plus 4. So minus 3 into x will give you minus 3x, and minus 3 into 4 will give you minus 12. 3 4s are 12, but minus sign will remain, is equal to 7 plus, onto the other side also you have the expressions with bracket. So 2 into 3x minus 8. So 2 into 3x will be 2 3s are 6 and x will be there. Then 2 into minus 8. Okay. So what will you get? 8 2s are 16. So what will you have here is minus 2 into minus 8. We are not taking plus 8, we are taking minus 8. So it's going to be minus 16. Understood step number 2? Yeah, you'll have minus 16 there. Now, next step, we have to simplify. So I will take 7x minus 3x. So this is gonna become 4x, correct? So 7x minus 3x will be 4x. Then minus 21 minus 12. I already told you, you have to add the numbers, but you have to keep the sign as same, that is minus. So you're going to get minus 33 is equal to, now on to the other side, you have 6x and we have two constants. So 7 minus 16. Now one is plus, one is minus. So in this case, you are supposed to subtract the numbers. Okay, subtract the numbers. How much do you get? 7 minus 16, you get 9, but it is minus 9. If you're getting confused, don't do 16 minus 7. Okay, even in the calculator, do it as 7 minus 16. Fine. So you're gonna get minus 9. Now 16 minus 7 is 9, correct? But for the bigger number, that is 16, there is minus sign which is used. So that is why the answer will also become minus 9. So 6x minus 9. Understood? Any doubts in this step? You have to learn each and every step in detail so that you don't miss any step in the further problems. Is it clear until here? Okay. Now, we will be taking 4x to the other side and we will get 9 to this side. Okay. So what we are going to do, we are going to take 4x to the other side. Now, if I take 4x to the other side, minus 33 is equal to 6x minus 9 minus 4x. Correct? 6x minus 9 minus 4x. Now, I will take 9 to this side. So, minus 33 plus 9 is equal to 6x minus 4x. So, minus 33 plus 9 means I have to subtract the numbers but maintain or keep the sign of the bigger number. Now, what is the sign of the bigger number? Before that, which is the bigger number out of 33 and 9? Okay, good, Anusha. 33. So, what is the sign for the bigger number? What is the sign for the bigger number? Minus. So, 33 and 9, if you subtract, you get 24. But I am supposed to retain the bigger number sign, that is nothing but minus 24. Okay. So, minus 33 plus 9 will give me minus 24. If you are getting confused, I am repeating it again. In the calculator, directly calculate minus 33 plus 4. Now, how to do that? If you are using a normal citizen calculator, there will be one extra button. If you see, it says plus or minus. Yeah, correct, Rakshita. Okay, you will have plus or minus. So first type the number 33 and click on this button. So you're in the calculator, it will change to minus 33. Are you all using a normal calculator or are you using phone? Which calculator are you all using? It is better you always use normal calculators. Don't use phone. Yeah, citizen calculators are okay. Don't use scientific calculators. Use a normal citizen or Flare or Cello calculators that you get, which you use for accountancy. use the same calculator. I don't encourage anybody using phone for calculations here. It is not very easy, it's not very handy all the time, though you have your phone with you. So I always recommend to use this normal calculators which you use for accountancy. Okay, so in that, if you calculate directly, you get minus 24 is equal to 6x minus 4x. So 6 minus 4 is 2x. Here you will not take minus because the bigger number has plus as the sign. So this will also be plus. Okay, so you have 2x which is there. I'm going to solve it here. Next, x, okay, sorry, minus 24 divided by 2 is equal to x. I can write like this. Minus 24 divided by 2 is equal to x. So 2 ones are 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. Therefore, x is equal to minus 12. Everybody understood? X is equal to minus 12. Any doubts here? Can we go for the next question? Okay. Now, the next question is similar to the previous one. 2 into a plus 3 is equal to 10 plus 4 into a minus 8. Okay. Now, will you try this problem? Give it a try. I will also solve it in the class. Sorry for that. Yeah, try. You will get 2 minutes. So let's see who will say me the answer. Okay, what is 14? A is equal to 14. Oops, sorry, this was solve for A. It's not solve for X. Okay, solve for A. A is equal to 14. Good. Good, Anusha. Others are still solving? Okay, take your time. Good, good, Bindu. A is equal to 14. Harpita, Rida got the answer. Good. Okay, Rakshita, it is small a. Okay, it's not capital A. Okay, fine, good. Many of them have got the answers. Let's solve this quickly then. So you have 2 into a plus 3. So 2 into a is 2a. 2 threes are 6. So plus 6 is equal to, onto the other side you have 10 as the constant, plus 4 into a minus 8. So 4 into a is 4a. 4 into minus 8. 4 8s are 32 and it is minus here. So minus 32. 4a. Okay. So that is your step number 2. Now after this, now what we will do is we will simplify other side. 2a plus 6 is equal to 10 minus 32. Can I say it is minus 22? Yes. One is plus and other is minus. So 4a minus 22. Now I'll take 2a to the other side. So 6 is equal to 4a minus 22 minus 2a. 4a minus 22 minus 2a. Now I'll take 22 to the other side. So 6, sorry for that, just wait. Okay, so 6 plus 22 is equal to 4a minus 2a. So 6 plus 22 will be 28 is equal to 4a minus 2a will give you 2a. So 28 by 2 is equal to a, and 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 fours are. Therefore, a is equal to 14. Everybody got this answer? Understood until here? Can we go and solve one more problem? One last problem shall we solve? Okay. Now this is the problem. Solve for y, where you have 3 into y minus 3 minus y plus 2 is equal to 5 into y minus 2 minus 6 into y minus 2. So let us take each of the expressions separately and we will do. Now why are we doing it separately? That is for your better understanding. That's all. If you are able to do it directly, you can go on and solve it directly. Fine. Okay, so let us start. First is 3 into y minus 3. So 3 into y is 3y. 3 into minus 3 is 3 3s are 9 and minus 3, so it will be minus 9. Minus sign has to be retained. So 3y minus 9. This is your first expression. Understood the first expression? Now next we have minus y plus 2. You have to take this sign also. Do not forget that. You'll have to take that sign also, which is given in between. Okay. Now, since there is no number, we assume it to be minus 1. So, minus 1 into y will give me minus y, or minus 1y you can take. Okay. Minus 1 into y is minus 1y. Next, minus 1 into 2. Minus 1 into plus 2. Minus into plus is minus. 1 2s are 2. So minus 2. Understood? Minus 1 into y is minus 1y. And minus 1 into 2 is minus 2. Next, on to the other side, let us simplify this. 5 into y minus 2. So 5 into y is 5y. 5 into minus 2 is 5 2s are 10. Since the sign has to remain minus 10. So minus 10. Then minus 6 into y minus 2. So minus 6 into y is minus 6y. Minus 6 into minus 2. Minus into minus is plus. So minus 6